What if the real reason you can't settle is because the noise isn't the problem? It's the part of you trying to fix it. Trying to be calm is like trying to fall asleep. The effort itself keeps you awake. There's a part of you underneath the noise. It's been calm this entire time. It didn't disappear, it just got covered. Most people are trying to calm by fighting through the chaos. But here's the shift. What if calm isn't something to reach, but something you return to? Imagine your system like a lake. Storms may hit the surface, but the bottom never ever moves. Storms may hit the surface, but the bottom never moves. In this space, we're not learning how to fix the surface. We're remembering how to rest at the bottom. And that starts with a signal, not a mantra, not a meditation, a signal. Right now, you are safe, safe enough to drop. You don't have to explain the noise. You don't have to outsmart the thoughts. You just have to allow this. System, you're in charge. System, you're in charge. Over the next few videos, we'll keep dropping deeper into calm, into memory, into regulation. There's a space below all of this. You'll know you've touched it when there's no rush to leave.